This is an overview on how I made my short film, The Tarot Reading, A Murder of Crows, all the things I found that worked okay, and the trials and tribulations. There is a link to the film at the end of this video and in the description below. There is also a link to a video of the gear that I used to make this film. I'll start off with something I found really useful, a list of everything I needed. You'll be surprised at how many different things that are needed. Okay, on to the filming. I'll start with the opening scene, an outside scene which introduces the two characters and Cornelius the Crow. I'll let it run, it's about a minute, and you can see the opening scene, and then I'll talk about it after.
Cornelius. Oh. Are you okay? I can help. Come with me, I'll show you something.
That's the opening clip. I did intend filming from the front of the bench, I thought it'd be better with the actor walking out from under the trees. This is what happened. Oh, she's well lit up, isn't she?
It's not too bad. Oh no, the sun's come out.
Yeah. It was a sunny, cloudy day. The sun was in and out like a yo-yo. After about 5 takes, I was getting frustrated. But then the actor suggested going behind the bench where was a little bit of shade under the trees. That's what we did, and it worked out fine. The lesson is, don't panic. There is always a solution. And I think this solution turned out better. The next lesson, make sure you have a good quality video head. This simple 90-degree pan took about 5 or 6 takes, so make sure that the video head is good. This clip is just to show you what to be aware of if you're filming outside. 2, 1, action.
Does it matter about that noise? Do you want to pause it for a minute?
That was the opening scene outside. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Before I go into filming the inside, I'll cover an important bit of paperwork that's needed. The release form. The release forms come under different names. Actors release form, models release forms. The form that I use is a film production release form. Basically, what it means is the actors give you permission to use their image. If you don't have this form that's been signed by the actors at any time could tell you that they do not want you to use their image in your film. So you can see that this is quite important. You should get one of these forms signed by the actors. Now we'll go on to filming the inside. That was a tarot reading. This shot from the front establishes the scene as a tarot reading. I took 2 takes from this angle of the complete script. Next shot was over the shoulder. Again, I took 2 takes of the complete script. I repeated this 2 takes of the complete script over the shoulder of the other actor. This clip is to tell you something else to be aware of. I made the table and chairs, but not sturdy enough. They creaked and groaned, which was picked up by the mic. so always use quiet, sturdy furniture. With reference to the mic, I used one mic suspended on a bracket from the ceiling, positioned over the centre of the table. Moving on to the tarot cards, I took 2 complete set takes over the shoulder of the cards being turned. Then I did 2 complete takes close up of the cards being turned. Those were the main clips. They gave me a good database of footage to work with. The other clips I took were of different framing angles, etc., and close-ups of Cornelius the Crow. For lighting, I used 2 soft boxes with 135 watt bulbs, directed at the 2 actors at about an angle of 45 degrees. Because the table and chairs were close to the wall, I was getting sharp shadows on the wall, so I bounced the light off the ceiling, which worked out fine. Soft shadows. To sum up, if you're thinking of making a film, just do it. That's how you learn. But I would recommend getting experienced actors if you can. The experienced actors I used helped me a lot. They suggested things, they helped with the filming, and they helped with the script. On this page, you'll find a link to my film. Have a look, see what you think. Any feedback welcomed, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you.